Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today we have part 5 of the carbon fiber interior for you. So with that said, you already know by the title, is going to be the dash carbon fiber. There you go. I haven't installed it yet, just put it on for now, just see how it looks. And I'm not a big fan, to be honest, because if you see close up, this is glossy, and that's what I ordered for the dash, glossy. But look what I got freaking matte. Here's glossy, here's the dash. Come on, man, how are you gonna scam people like that, saying it's glossy and everything?
It is what it is.
It's like 80 bucks, and yeah, I this is one of them that I found to be glossy. They even stated it's glossy and everything. So I was like, oh well, finally found the glossy one, because these things with glossy material, it was about $200. So I found this one for 80. I was like, yeah, that's not a bad price. One, it's fucking matte. Two, if you look at the back, it's freaking stupid looking. Like, what is this? What kind of plastic is this? Like, do you guys see this? It's just some white plastic. Look. Holy crap. This is insane. I mean, at least it bends. But like, what kind of material is this? Seems weird. Alright, anyway, let's start installing this thing. So I'm gonna take it off, remove the tape, wipe off the dash just to make sure it's clean, and then install this thing. Yeah. So I took the back tape off of it, and let's see, this is a little in the way, so I'm just gonna remove it for now. And here it is. So I'm just gonna pop it right on, like so, right? It just pops right on, and now I'm gonna try to push on it like super hard. So I'm gonna put you guys down and push on it pretty well, and hopefully this thing sticks. Go on the other side and do this as well, but pretty much just pushing it down so it sticks better. And then I'm gonna put some tape probably just to have it hold, I guess. So yeah guys, that's how the dash looks. I decided not to put any tape on it, and the only thing I hate about this is that it's not glossy. But other than that, the car looks even better now. With wood, it was cool, you know, it was nice, like kind of real, probably real wood. It felt nice, it looked decent. But like with carbon fiber, it just changes the whole look. I love it. I'm happy that I didn't get the wrap. I don't know if the wrap would have been good or not, but I'm happy with this. It's like a cover, it just goes on top, and it covers whatever wasn't painted here. So as you guys know, I painted this little thing, and there was a little line that was silver here. So now you can't even see it because this thing is sitting on top of it and it's covering it. Same here. See, it's just flush and nice. So yeah, wish was glossy, but it's not. I'm gonna rock with this one for now, but we'll see what happens later. I might get a new one, but for now I don't have any money any spare money to spend on an extra dash. And if you guys are interested to see my other videos about the carbon fiber, like this armrest, this center console, or the steering wheel that I've done, make sure to check the video on the side over here. And yep, thank you for watching. Peace.